What's up, everybody? The boss is here, and today I have a really good video for you guys. Yesterday, there is some news about the China foreign minister actually tried to take away the tariffs and the sanctions that the Trump administration did 3 years ago. And we're gonna talk about this after I just clarify some things, because the last videos I did, I got a lot of comments and people don't like what I said because I just said the truth, and people don't like what they heard. And this is in the trading, in science, in everything. You have to never be biased. But the new traders, they actually, when they buy something, it's a normal psychological behavior. When you own something, this thing would be like worth for you is like, it's worth $1, but for you it's worth like unbelievable. It's mean like for you is like a diamond. So it happened the same way, the same psychological behavior with when you actually own the stock. That's what happened when I actually said the truth about the stock, and the people don't like what they heard. So if you don't like what you hear, just go for another YouTube channel that tell lies or tell what you want to hear. But here in my channel, I always say the truth. I always say my opinion and take the information, I digest it, and I take my subjective truth. I never be biased, and then I could actually make good choices in my stock, and at the same time never be emotional and do the trade as my plans. And so yeah, sorry if I offend your opinion or hurt your emotions or feelings, but this is the real world. So without further ado, let's go to the video and we talk about this great news for the Chinese companies. So as we see here, CNBC actually published this yesterday, and they say China foreign minister called for US to remove tariffs and sanctions. And this is good and great, guys, because like I said, for LKCO, this is a really good news because as we see, a lot of investors and hedge fund manager, they actually were afraid a bit to invest in Chinese companies. And with this kind of news, this gives an incentive and more a green light for like investors to actually put their money in Chinese companies, because now we can see that actually the diplomatic ties between China and US, we gained back the trust, because before, as we know, like the last year and the year before, as we have like China war, China and US war, about the economical war. So now after this news, we hope that all the investors and hedge funds and will gain back the trust and invest back in the Chinese companies. And as we see here, and let me take this away, and let's talk about LKCO here. As we see here, and the price is actually still trading in this in my triangle here, in this price value, and we're still trading inside this this value, and we still respected this level. See with me, guys, here at this level, And we have to be really careful because look with me, guys. If each time we get a dip below the $2, we got bought back by big investors, smart money, by 15%. You see this spike? This spike is mean there is a buying pressure. And again, we have the buying pressure here after the price dipped below the $2. And see, we have a 15% again, 13% again buying pressure. And we have another spike. So if the price again dipped below the 2, we're gonna see a buying pressure again, really buying pressure. So I'm talking here about investors, not swing trader, because we have to believe in the stock to actually invest in it, and you actually buy the dip. We never actually FOMOing. That's what they do, like the smart money. They actually know what's the value of the stock, so they know there's actually good value for price. That's why they buy here. So I would be vigilant and buy back if the price actually dipped below the 2 and average down. But the upside, if we have the price go here at 2%, 50 cents, we can see that the momentum will pick up, and we see the price will try to go over the resistance at 3.70 cents, and hopefully after the $4, and then we're gonna touch our our price at over almost 5%. As I said, or always said, always take a bit of profit, because those levels usually when we get there, there's a high chance that the price will retrace back a bit. When it retraces back a bit, you be ready to buy back. That's why you take a profit. When you take a profit, you put the profit back when the price retraces a bit. And again, at 6, we'll take profit a bit below 6. And after, if we actually hit above 6, be careful, guys. If we actually go above 6, the price, there is no any resistant level, and we go straight almost to $10. So I will take a bit of profit before the $10. This is an important level you have to be careful about, and never FOMO. Always ask for price you want for from the market. Otherwise, you'll be running around like a chicken. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment in the section below, and subscribe to my channels. At my channel, always say the truth, the subjective truth, no bias here, and no emotion, and always have a plan before you get in the trade. And see you guys in the next video, and hope you have a green day today. See you guys.